Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to add friends in Discord. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Discord application. Make sure you're logged in to your account. You can see over here Discord application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to add the friends, it is actually very simple. Now right over here, you'll be able to find the section for messages. At top, you'll be able to find the search icon over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find this option for add friends. What you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to add the friends. You'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to find the options like share invite, copy link, QR code, messages, email, messenger, telegram, Twitter, etc. You can basically send your profile via the social media platforms, or you can also find your friends via the contact. For that, what you have to do is tap on this option, find your friends. After you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to find your friends from the contact. You can also add the friends by username. In order to do that, what you have to do is tap on this option, add by username. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll have to enter the username over here. Simply enter the username of the person that you would like to add. Make sure to enter the correct username. After you do that, tap on this option, send friend request, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the friend request has been sent. After that, they'll receive the request. If they accept it, you'll be friends with them. So like this, you'll be able to add the friends. So that is how you add friends on Discord. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.